Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about robots, how they work, what can they do, and how they are changing the world we live in. What are robots? Robots are mechanics that perform tasks automatically or with minimal human input. They come in all shapes and sizes, from small toy robots to massive industrial machines. Robots can be programmed to do almost anything, from assembling cars to exploring other planets. They can also be designed to look and move like humans, which is why they are often used in movies and TV shows. How do robots work? Most robots are powered by electricity and use sensors to interact with the world around them. Sensors allow robots to detect things like sound, light, and temperature based on the data they receive from their sensors. Robots can do a wide variety of tasks, from simple ones like vacuuming floors to complex ones like performing surgery. They can also work in environments that are too dangerous or difficult from human, like deep sea exploration or space travel. In some industries like manufacturing and logistics, robots are becoming essential for increasing efficiency and reducing costs. How are robots changing the world? As robots become more advanced and widespread, they are transforming the way we live and work. They are creating new jobs opportunities in fields like robots engineering and programming, while also replacing some jobs that can be automated. Robots are also helping us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, like climate change and healthcare. That's it for video. I hope you learned something new about robots and how they are changing the world. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below.